Massive online courses are on the rise, and the challenge is knowing which courses to pick and which ones to do. In this video, I will show you how you can search quality MOOCs. My name is Franklin Okech, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Consider subscribing. So what are MOOCs? So MOOCs are like the future of online education. It's a platform which try to democratize education by offering high quality courses online, which means everyone can access them as long as you have internet access. And the biggest challenge has always been which ones to do, because there are a lot of online courses and you never know which one is of high quality. You don't want to waste your time on a course which has low quality. So in this video, I want to show you how you can use a platform to just search through the massive online courses and pick the ones which is best for you. So there's a site called Class Central. If you Google Class Central, it is like a MOOC aggregator. It provides you like about 150,000 courses where you can browse by subject or university. And popular universities mostly are Ivy League universities and big companies. So there's on the tab here we have like a menu where we have like the rankings, the collections, which are the courses from Ivy League universities and also from companies. And also they are also aggregated by subject. If you want to learn something in computer science, then there's AI, IoT, IT, computer networking, health and medicine, mathematics, business. So there are a lot of categories you can choose from. You can even click view all subjects, which will now give you all the subjects and the number of courses per each. So let's assume you want to learn something on maybe artificial intelligence. So you click search, then it will give you the number of courses sorted by how relevant it is. So for example, this one is offered by Stanford University for robotics. Then the CS50 is Python Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. Is another popular course by Harvard. Yeah, assuming also you want to learn on maybe machine learning. Again, it will give you now sorted by like relevance, and on the sidebar here you can see like who offers the course. Maybe this is offered by Coursera, how long it will take to complete it, 4 weeks long, maybe the next start date, and whether it has free online courses, or it is something you have to pay. Then there's also on this left side where you can filter through. If maybe you only want courses with certificate, filter that, it will only list for you courses with certificates. If you only want free courses, those ones you don't pay. Then if you only want with the courses with free certificates, you can also filter those ones. Like this one, machine learning with Python, offered by the Free Code Camp. This is free and they give you a free certificate, which is cool. So normally it is good to finish these ones, because the Free Code Camp is another important like free education provider, and they majorly focus on technical skills, especially programming and data analysis and data science. But the good thing about this one, they'll give you a free certificate. So if you want to go to the class, so you will click here, go to class. It will now go to an external link or to the external provider of that course. And now you will land at the course where you will go to the Free Code Camp site and you can see the course outline. Yeah, and if you finish now, you will get a free certificate for this one, which you can now post on your LinkedIn profile. And then there are quality materials. I know people normally when they see free, they always target with the low quality, but Free Code Camp has been consistently providing high quality materials for technical skills development. And even their YouTube channel is a great resource to learn. If you want only those ones provided by a university course only, you can filter those ones. So it means you will be getting now from either Ivy League universities or some universities worldwide. So some are provided in the US, UK, China, so there are options you can now filter through. So these ones are university grade courses, which is good, being taught by like someone who understands the concepts well. So you can also filter by beginner. You want maybe only the beginners level courses, or you want maybe advanced courses, again based on what you want to learn. So beginner level, when you have no maybe pre-required skills required for that course, and advanced is when you already have some knowledge and skills on your belt, but you want to improve on that. So this is an important like aggregator. Apart from the courses, there's also the reports. So the reports are like done by Class Central, so they try to bring some reports or insights based on the data we already have in the database. So for example, they can give you like a top 5 of something to do, maybe like 5 courses for web development to take in 2023. So that's like a report which filters now the courses to the top 5. So the report will give you like a brief of how the report was done, maybe the courses based on what criteria was used to rank these courses. Yeah, so just spend some time looking through it, and if you find a course which is interesting to you, then you can always consider like going deep dive into it and see how you can add maybe add some skills into your skill sets. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing for the YouTube algorithm.